Slide 1. The evolution of biological classification. This presentation examines the progression of biological classification systems, beginning with the traditional two-kingdom model and advancing to the modern five-kingdom framework. It highlights the defining characteristics of organisms, the key differences between eukaryotes and prokaryotes, and the debated classification of viruses within the biological hierarchy. Slide 2. From two kingdoms to five. Before 1967, all living organisms were classified into just two kingdoms, animals and plants. By 1969, scientists recognized the limitations of this system, as it could not account for the complexity and diversity of living organisms. This led to the adoption of a five-kingdom classification system, offering a more accurate way to categorize life forms based on their features and characteristics. Slide 3. The five kingdoms of life. The five-kingdom classification divides life into distinct groups. Monera. This kingdom includes prokaryotic organisms like eubacteria and archaebacteria. Protista. Mostly aquatic, these are photosynthetic, unicellular plant-like organisms with some, like seaweed, growing up to 60 meters in length. Fungi includes organisms such as mushrooms, which play a vital role in decomposition. Plantae, comprising multicellular organisms like ferns that perform photosynthesis. Animalia. This kingdom includes multicellular animals such as earthworms, known for their diversity and complex structures. Slide 4. Prokaryotes versus eukaryotes. Prokaryotes are organisms whose DNA is not enclosed within a nucleus. In contrast, eukaryotes have a well-defined membrane-bound nucleus. For classification, the organisms listed fern, earthworm, and mushroom are all eukaryotes. Slide 5. The unique world of viruses. Viruses are not classified within the five kingdoms because they are not considered fully living organisms. They lack cellular machinery and rely on a host to reproduce. Viruses contain genetic material, either DNA or RNA, which enables them to replicate. They infect and often harm all types of life forms, including bacteria, by using the host's cellular machinery to multiply. Slide 6. Bacteriophages, viruses that target bacteria. A bacteriophage is a type of virus that specifically infects bacteria. These viruses attach to bacterial cells, inject their genetic material, and use the bacterial machinery to reproduce, often leading to the destruction of the host bacteria. Slide 7. Kingdom Protista, a diverse group. The kingdom Protista includes a wide variety of organisms with the following characteristics. Aquatic. Most are found in water environments. Photosynthetic. Many protists can produce their own food through photosynthesis. Unicellular. They are often single-celled organisms, though some are multicellular. Diverse sizes. Protists range in size, with some growing as large as 60 meters, like seaweed. Slide 8. Key takeaways. 1. Evolution of classification. Biological classification transitioned from a two-kingdom system to the more comprehensive five-kingdom system in 1969. 2. Prokaryotes versus eukaryotes. The key distinction lies in the presence or absence of a membrane-bound nucleus. 3. Diversity of life. The five kingdoms, Monera, Protista, fungi, Plantae, and Animalia, encompass an extensive variety of organisms with unique characteristics. 4. Viruses, the outliers. Viruses, including bacteriophages, are not classified within the five kingdoms due to their dependency on host cells and lack of cellular structure.